Let's take a look at Explore for Google Docs. Explore is a research and predictive tool that is a part of the G Suite and can be used through the apps Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Sheets. It allows you to search the web, access your Google Docs, and search for images all from right within the document or project that you're working on. It uses the information that's in your text or in your project to predict what might be most useful for you, but you can also use Explore. It has its own search feature that you can use to find what you're looking for as well. So let's take a look. This is a new document, and I've just given it a title, Assistive Technology for Learners with Special Needs. So now I can activate the Explore by hovering over this icon and clicking on Explore. It'll open a sidebar for me, and it will already start to give me information that it thinks will be helpful for me. But it also has this tool up top where I can type in my own search. And now that I've done my own search, I have three options. I can search my drive for other documents or PDFs or files that pertain to assistive technology. I could also search the web, and then I could also do an image search. So let's go to this web search and let's take a look. So assistive technology, I'm going to open this link. It'll open it up in a new tab. And let's say I'm reading this and I want to add in some information either by paraphrasing or by a direct quote. So if I copy this paragraph and paste it into my text, now I want to cite where this came from. Google Explorer can help me do that. I would add in my quotations. And now you can see when I hover over the site that I used, this quotation icon pops up. And I can click on it and it will cite it as a footnote. You can see now the one has popped up, and down at the bottom I have a footnote. But I'm going to undo that for a second. I'm going to show you that you have some options when it comes to those citations. If you scroll up to the top of your web results and click on the three dots, you can see that you can change it between MLA, APA, and Chicago. So now if I change it to APA and do the same thing, it will change the style of that footnote. So this is a great tool to use for students to help keep them organized and to prevent plagiarism. The image search is also very interesting too. So if I click on this image search, it will show me images that does actually go through a filter. So Google uses a general filter to try to find content that is free and clear to use, but it's always important to check it yourself. So let's say I wanted to use this picture. When you click on the plus sign, it will add it directly into your document. But if I wanted to check the usage first, what I would show my students to do and what I would do is click on the picture itself. It will open it up in a new window. Up in the top corner, you'll see the source of where it comes from. And down on the bottom, it will give you the usage rights. So if image is labeled for commercial use with modification, those are safe images for us to use, as long as we cite where they're from. But that's the great thing about Google Explorer is that now that it's inserted the image into my document, when I click on it, you'll see the source automatically is hyperlinked to the picture. So by using Explore, it's giving you that general filter, and it's also automatically adding a hyperlink to the source. So that's a quick overview of Explore.